Hi, I'm Derek, and today we'll be discussing the benefits of becoming SOLIDWORKS certified. SOLIDWORKS offers a wide range of certifications to students and users. The SOLIDWORKS certifications are a good way to test your skills within the software as well as promote your SOLIDWORKS knowledge. When I was in college, my SOLIDWORKS class required us to take the CSWA at the end of the semester and was part of our final exam grade. Most people believe that certifications are only good for your resume. However, many companies use certifications as onboarding tasks and personal development to make sure their employees are up to speed. Certifications do have a cost associated with them. However, your annual subscription provides you with free vouchers. If you are interested in taking a SOLIDWORKS certification, you can check out the SOLIDWORKS certification catalog, which lists out all the details of each exam. For certain certifications, there is a sample exam you can download and test yourself. If you are on subscription or a student, you can log into my.solidworks.com. There is certification prep courses as well. For teachers out there, you can sign the school up to be an academic certification provider, and this will allow you to receive some additional training. To download the certification tester, it can be found at solidworks.virtualtester.com, along with some additional information. If I can offer one piece of advice for the certification exam, it is to make sure you have access to multiple monitors. It will make your life so much easier during the exam. For more information on how to receive your free voucher, we have a PDF document we can send to you that steps you through the process. I appreciate taking the time to check out this video, and if you'd like to know more about SOLIDWORKS certifications, please reach out to your local CADimensions sales representative. Have a great day.